What's up, everybody? Brian with SLG Concrete Coatings coming to you from the SLG headquarters. We're actually about to leave the office, go head out to the job site where the guys are working on a driveway and a walkway. It's going to be a pretty big job, but we want to go get some photos, some video for you to check out. So come along with us. Let's go do this. Let's see what these guys are up to. Let's go. Come on. On site, checking this out. Guys are doing amazing. Beautiful day for throwing down some coatings. You guys really got to see this. Take a look. They are putting a top coat down, 764 square feet, just one day. It is going to be awesome. Check this out. Take a look at the finished product. Oh, let us know what you think.